Welcome to our video on the 90-day blood pressure hack. Have you ever wondered if simple lifestyle tweaks could make a real difference in your blood pressure and overall health? Today, we'll explore effective, natural strategies to manage and lower your blood pressure. You'll discover practical lifestyle changes, dietary tips, exercise guidance, and stress reduction techniques, proven approaches that can transform your health in just 3 months. We'll break down why blood pressure matters, how these strategies work, and what steps you can take starting today to make a significant difference. Taking control of your blood pressure can help prevent serious health issues, so stick around for valuable insights and a step-by-step guide to a healthier future. Let's start with what blood pressure actually is and why it's so important. Imagine your heart as a pump, sending life-giving blood through your arteries and nourishing every part of your body. Blood pressure is the force of this blood pressing against your artery walls as your heart pumps. A healthy range is essential because high blood pressure, or hypertension, means that your heart and arteries are working harder than they should. Over time, this extra strain damages blood vessels and critical organs, increasing the risk of severe health issues like heart disease, kidney failure, and stroke. High blood pressure often sneaks up without symptoms, so regular monitoring is crucial for staying aware of your numbers. Try to check your blood pressure at home once a week, and at your doctor's office at least a couple of times a year. This habit not only keeps you informed, but also gives you the opportunity to make proactive adjustments as needed. Understanding the importance of blood pressure is the first step. Next, let's talk about how a 90-day challenge can help you achieve a healthier range. Imagine how much healthier you could feel in just 90 days. Now is the perfect time to start. This 90-day blood pressure hack is a structured challenge designed to support your journey to lower blood pressure and better health. Over the next 3 months, you'll commit to specific lifestyle changes, including diet adjustments, exercise routines, and stress management techniques that together build a strong foundation for heart health. Each week, we'll set new mini goals to keep you engaged and progressing steadily toward healthier blood pressure. Consistency is key here. It might sound challenging, but when you break it down into smaller steps, it becomes manageable and even exciting to see each week's progress. Imagine the positive changes you could experience: better energy levels, lower stress, improved heart health, all from sticking with these simple yet effective habits. Now let's explore each component of the 90-day challenge, starting with what you put on your plate. Imagine a plate filled with vibrant greens, fresh berries, hearty whole grains, and lean proteins. Picture it as fuel for a healthier heart. One of the most impactful ways to lower blood pressure naturally is through dietary changes, specifically by following the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet focuses on nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and lean proteins, all of which support heart health. To start, make it a goal to add 1 serving of vegetables or fruits to each meal. For breakfast, throw in some berries with your oatmeal. At lunch, add leafy greens or sliced cucumbers. At dinner, swap out processed with roasted vegetables. Another key component is reducing sodium intake. Sodium causes the body to retain water, which puts extra pressure on blood vessels. By gradually cutting back on processed foods, canned goods, and salty snacks, you can naturally lower sodium levels. Consider this. What if, in just a few weeks, you started noticing lower blood pressure numbers? By fueling your body with the right foods, you'll see improvements that support not just your heart, but your overall well-being. Remember, every step you take and every minute of activity counts towards your journey to a healthier heart. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone for reducing blood pressure and improving heart health. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, swimming, and cycling are particularly effective, so aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity each week. Break it down into manageable sessions, like 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Don't have a 30-minute block? Try 3 10-minute walks. Every little bit counts. Additionally, incorporating strength training at least twice a week helps build muscle, which boosts your metabolism and supports cardiovascular health. Even basic exercises like bodyweight squats or light dumbbell routines are beneficial. Choose activities that you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or even gardening, because you're more likely to stay consistent when it's fun. So let's visualize this. You're 3 months in, you're moving regularly, you feel lighter, and your energy levels are up. Physical activity not only reduces blood pressure, but also brings a greater sense of vitality to your daily life. Notice how calm you feel after a few deep breaths. Imagine if you could feel this relaxed throughout your day. Managing stress is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, as high stress levels can lead to spikes in hypertension. When stress hits, your body releases hormones that increase heart rate and constrict blood vessels, which isn't sustainable long-term. To counter this, incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Try starting each morning with a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation. Apps like Headspace or Insight Timer can guide you if you're new to meditation. Practice breathing exercises throughout your day, especially during moments of stress. Take a break, close your eyes, and take deep breaths in for 4 counts and out for 6. You'll feel an immediate difference. Other effective strategies include yoga, which combines physical movement with mindfulness, and journaling, where you can release tension by expressing your thoughts. Consider creating a calming evening routine to wind down, perhaps with light stretching, calming music, or even gratitude journaling. These practices reduce daily stress, which in turn supports lower blood pressure. What if, in just a few weeks, you could see a drop in your blood pressure numbers? Tracking your progress over the 90-day challenge is essential to achieving your health goals. Start by keeping a daily log of your blood pressure readings. This lets you identify patterns and recognize what's working well. You could also use a journal or a health app to track your dietary choices, exercise, and stress levels, which helps you stay accountable. Regular check-ins with your healthcare provider are vital. They can offer additional guidance and adjust recommendations based on your progress. Monitoring your blood pressure and lifestyle habits weekly or daily not only keeps you motivated, but also allows you to make informed adjustments along the way. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Imagine the motivation from sharing this journey with friends or family who cheer you on at each step. Having community support makes a huge difference in achieving long-term goals like blood pressure control. Seek out friends, family, or online groups where people share similar health goals and challenges. Being part of a supportive group lets you exchange tips, celebrate milestones, and find encouragement during tough moments. You could start a small accountability group with friends where you all share updates, or join an online forum dedicated to blood pressure management. This camaraderie fosters accountability and makes the journey more enjoyable. Plus, sharing your successes and challenges with loved ones or a community reminds you that you're not alone on this journey. In this video, we've explored effective strategies for managing blood pressure, including dietary changes, exercise recommendations, stress management techniques, and the importance of community support. The key takeaways are to adopt a heart-healthy diet, stay active, manage stress, and track your progress. Remember, small changes add up, and consistency is what brings long-lasting results. Now, it's time to take action. and apply these strategies in your daily life. Imagine how much better you will feel after just 90 days. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable health content. Together, we can achieve our wellness goals and pave the way toward a healthier future.